Okay, so for the mashup song, we can also try with the chuck and strum. It takes a little bit of getting used to. So we're going to play exactly the same pattern. So it's still down, down, up, down, up. Except this time on beats 2 and 4, we're going to add a chuck, which is where you're basically muting the strings. You bring your palm into the strings, and as you do, you just get all your fingers to go right down the strings as if you're flicking something off. Okay, and then get that pointer out ready to come back up. Okay, so all together it should sound like this. Down. So just practice that a few times, and then you can try it with the chords. So you've got... Okay, so we'll try that 100 beats per minute. There you go.